Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unbox my December's fab bag. So without wasting any time, let's just quickly open this and see what products I got in this time's bag. Alright, so this is how the bag looks like. Very Christmassy. Definitely the theme of this this time's bag is Christmas, and you can see it's very Christmassy bag. It has white fur on it with a dark red pouch, just like Santa's clothes. So I'm just gonna open it and see what things I have in this time's fab bag. All right, first I'm just gonna take out the info cards. So the theme of this time's fab bag is the Merry Indulgence. So all the product details and the prices of the products are written here, and their contest details are also here in this info card. So let's just check out the products. Alright, so the very first thing I can see is an oil. This is by Sleep Therapy Massage and Bath Oil, and this is by Facetheglam Ayurveda. So this is like a spa oil. Yeah, smells like essential oils. Yeah. So definitely it's a spa oil. I can use it on my body after taking a bath. So I can see in the info card that price of this is not mentioned, and in fact nothing is mentioned. It's just saying Facetheglam. It's the bestseller product. So let me just check on the bottle. Okay, so here I have 60 ml of product. And again, I can't tell you the price. I think it's like a sample size. So yeah, this is basically made in Sri Lanka. So yeah, this is the Spa Therapy Massage and Bath Oil. Let's check out other products. So the next thing I can see, it's a lipstick. It's by the brand called Disguise. It's ultra comfortable satin matte lipstick, and this is cruelty free. It has no parabens, no leads, and it is 100% vegan. It retails about 500 rupees. So yeah, and I have the shade number 10 Actress. So this is how the packaging looks like. It has like this mint green packaging, and it has the matte texture. Yeah, so I'm just gonna see how the color is. Ooh, the color looks really pretty. It's more of like a mauvish, nudish pink. Yeah, so this is how the shade looks like. Really pretty. I think it is a very good nudish pink for Indian skin tones. And this bullet is like, it has like magnet. You can see it has magnet, so it's really nice. So that's the lipstick. Let's check out what else I have. Alright, the next thing I can see is Turkish Day Cream, and it has watermelon and argan oil, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 10 grams, that is 0.3 fluid ounce, and this is by the brand Global Beauty Secrets, and it's a sample size. It's a very tiny tube. It smells really nice, smells really nice. It's like a normal cream, good for traveling because of its size. So definitely I can use it while traveling. And this Global Beauty Secrets Turkish Watermelon and Argan Oil Day Cream retails for about 120 for 10 ml. Then I have this mist. This is like a third bottle of this same mist. I already have 2 of it. I've opened one. I still have like one more, which is like fully packed, and now I have again this. This is by Chronocare. This is a Pollu Stop Face. It's a protective screen against pollution for face, and it's for all skin types. It's like basically it's like a mist, anti-pollution mist. I have used it and it's kind of okay. Not a very big fan of it, but it's kind of okay. The amount of product I'm getting here is 30 ml of product. That is 1.01 fluid ounce, and it retails for 495 rupees. So next thing I can see is this. This is Flow, F-L-O-H, and this is a small little sample size pack of tampons. It has like 3 tampons. I have never used tampons. Yes, I have never. So I'm very new to this tampon thing, but definitely in future I think I might start using it. I will give it a try for sure. So yeah, these are the trial pack for tampons, and this is definitely a sample size because it says it's not for sales and it just have 3 tampons. Yeah, So this flow tampons retail for 35 rupees for 3 tampons. It's a good thing that they have included the sample pack of tampons in the bag, because lots of girls in India, I don't think so they have tried using a tampon, including me. So by this kind of subscription bag, they can have a chance to at least try, and if they're comfortable with it, they can, you know, use it in future. So yeah. So the next thing I see, oh, okay, so it's like a big pack. Okay, ooh, it's a hair pack basically, and this is by the brand called Blissent, and this is a hair pack with Ayurvedic ingredients, and it claims that it gives life to dull and dry strands, and it softens your hair and also gives shine and also makes your hair stronger. So yeah, I can make it's like in a powder form, so I can mix this in some hair oil or some yogurt or coconut milk, and I can apply on my hair, and I can keep this mask for about 30 minutes, and then I can just shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, actually I use one hair mask and I just got over it, and that hair mask also I got in some kind of subscription bag, and I really love that. So wo khatam ho gaya, so I'm just gonna try this, and this one retails for 300 rupees, and the shelf life of this is not very good. It will get expired in February 2019, so I'm literally left with 2 more months, which is not cool. And this is like 100 grams of product, which is a lot, so I really have to like finish it up. They says that I can use it once a week, so I'll try my best. So yeah, that's the hair mask. So that was it. My bag is empty. That was it for December's fab bag. I really like the pouch because it's very, very Christmassy and festive. I kind of liked this time's fab bag. I got almost 6 of the things, including the pouch, and I think I'm just gonna try each and everything, because I think everything is useful in this time's fab bags. So I liked this time's fab bag. All the details about the fab bag will be given in the description box, so you can just check it out. And if you like this time's bag, you can just go and subscribe. And if you are watching me for the very, very first time, then please help me grow, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.